This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A4 dashboard. First, gather your essential tools like a trim removal kit and a Torx screwdriver set. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the car's battery before you start. Then, carefully begin removing the trim pieces that surround your dashboard components. Take your time and use the right tools to avoid any damage. This initial step sets the foundation for accessing the internal parts. Once the trim is off, you'll see fasteners securing the main components. Unscrew all visible fasteners holding units like your radio or climate control. With the screws removed, gently pull out these components, carefully disconnecting their electrical connectors. Remember to label all wires and connectors as you go. This will make reassembly much easier and prevent confusion. Now, for deeper access, locate and remove any additional screws that secure the main dashboard panel itself. These might be hidden, so look closely. Use a plastic pry tool to carefully release any clips holding the panel firmly in place. With all fasteners and clips free, gently lift and detach the dashboard panel, always being mindful of any remaining wires still connected. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. Reconnect all electrical components, ensuring each connection is secure, then carefully secure the dashboard panels back into place. Double-check that all screws and trim pieces are properly reinstalled for a snug and professional fit. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.